day 20 of our cycling. We're about to go in about an hour. We've just had a lovely night and overlooking the Rhone. It's our wedding anniversary, so 45 years. Ooh, I wasn't meant to say that. Sorry. And we're going off to a place called Brain. It's on the Rhone as well, and hopefully we'll get there today. I think it's about 40 kilometres, so it's uphill some of the way. So cheers! I was told that before, it wasn't too bad. And this is the first cup of tea I've had since I arrived in Frankfurt. I did bring some English breakfast tea with me, and that's what I'm having. So cheers to everyone!
Well, we've been stopped along the track here on the banks of the Rhine River. We've rejoined up with it, but I can see why. The actual track was eroded away over there in the distance. Zoom in for you. And so they've had to reroute it around, and I think it joins back up. There must have been some flood. You can still see the banks here where it's all been washed up. And they're redoing the track here again. They haven't put tar down, but they've put the rock down. So they're forever onto it. Big tourism draw card, these cycle tracks anyway. Well, we've been going through this plantation forest of what look like fairly tall poplars, softwoods, and then every now and then we come along a grove of what looks like oak trees, and I've got a feeling that's where they're inoculated with truffle. Yeah, and they come along with their dogs or pigs or whatever and dig them up. It's probably a bit early in the year for that, but it looks beautiful in there.
This is what I'll stop for. They're selling snails.
What?
L'escargot all year round. Buy from here. Well, here we are. We've just done about 20 kilometres. It's before breakfast, even though it's nearly 12 midday. And we just found this gorgeous little cafe. And a little fish, stainless steel fisherman. Look how cute that is. Gable walls.
It's even got buttresses to give it
lovely.
strength around the outside, and then they've put a pond liner in behind the gabion walls and
Fish.
turned it into a pond and put a few fish in. Yeah, amazing. And it looks like, I don't know what that little dome is there, but I'm wondering whether they put fish feed in there and it just percolates through the water or something. Fantastic. There's some clever people around. This is a beautiful spot. Especially after cycling through that forest for 5 kilometres to come across here, have a coffee. They even have an area here for bocce players. You can see the silver balls, whatever they're called there. Popular pastime here in Italy and, here in France, Italy, places like that.
We just had a lovely cup of coffee at the restaurant, and we're now cycling through the most beautiful forest. So I was going to put the camera on for a while and see what we see.
Off we go.
Off we go.
Some of these trees are so tall. Oh, look at the rock face there. All limestone. There, it's eroding away. Oh, it's short-lived, but it's a beautiful forest. Oh, nice. Right at the foot of a limestone outcrop, and we're back on the Rhone. I think I said the Rhine earlier. Nice camping spot down there. It's a nice little spot. Oh, pity we've already stopped. Being a Sunday, all the families are out on the bike track as well. So we've got to take care.
Cute little fella.
About no shooting there too, eh? Well, we just pulled up at this picnic table here to have a few nuts, a bit of a snack and drink, and we noticed this yellow warning banner around the girth of the tree, and you look up and I can see why. It's a very dangerous tree. It's a poplar tree, very old, but it's hanging right over the track. So we decided to move to one side.
Up lunch. I found these magnesium and vitamin D tablets effervescent tablets in Switzerland, and we've been putting them in water and just drinking them during the day, and so far we've been good. There's been no cramps or anything, so all good. Much cheaper than buying those sports drinks. Just a little spot off where we had our picnic, breakfast come lunch. Little walkway, little bridge, and a little sign. Enjoy your journey in nature. Just down the road from our lunch, this beautiful little village, and I'm not sure, there's thousands of cars and camper vans parked. And then up on the hill, the little village. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful spot.
There appears to be a little village on the other side.
I guess they're allowed to fish there.
I think that was a small fishing club. I see there's an island there too. Must be a very popular spot here. You can see all of the transportables that are set up there as probably weekly holiday accommodation right along. And then there's a lovely restaurant cafe down further, the Jumping Castle. But and what appears to be a little village on the other side of the Rhone.
Yes, I love fish there.
I think that was a small fishing club. I see there's an island there too in the middle. Happy bunch, these French.
Wouldn't lie to you.
Watch out, Alex.
Doesn't matter what I do.
What's that?
She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck.
What was that
but
noise?
she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league.
Speed demon.
She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah.
Just come across this lovely chateau tucked away in the corner there of the hills. There's the backdrop.
Pit stop for lunch. A cool drink, really.
There's a Jeep just down the road here.
It's quite odd. What's wrong?
There's a Jeep just down the road.
Gite.
That smells nice.
Well, we just had lunch and we're still following the Rhone. And this is some bridge.
Oh, it's a footbridge. Cycle bridge.
Some bridge, though. And over in the distance, Le Petit Poisson? No. Pigeon. A little chateau with a pigeon coop
Oh,
that they
right,
just keep. Yeah, that's what that round thing is. Very
Homemade
nice.
fertiliser.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yes, it's rocking.
I think we're pretty safe looking at the
amount
diameter of that steel
Cable.
cable up there. I think we're fairly safe.
it's not going to fall in just now.